Hello everyone, I hope everyone has seen my last video of taking delivery of my bike, and these are the goodies which I got with my bike. And there was some offer running. I did not pay for anything of these things, in which helmet you'll get it with every Royal Enfield bikes. And uh, for now, these all things I got it for free. Actually, I did not pay anything for these things. In next video I'll be sharing why I got these things for free and what was the offer running and what is the offer running right now in Royal Enfield showrooms across India, I guess. And okay, today I will be unboxing these things, and I will be installing a few things on this, like this is a knuckle guard which I got from Royal Enfield. I'll be installing this on my bike, and this is a saddle stay I got from Royal Enfield. I'll be installing this in next video, so stick with me. So first thing on our list is helmet. So this is a pretty basic helmet which is provided by the Royal Enfield to all the customers, like all the Royal Enfield owners or something. Let's get through this. Okay, again pretty basic packing. I have already unboxed it actually in the showroom. So what do we get here? So we get this pretty basic helmet. Actually I asked Royal Enfield to give me another helmet, like I told them I would pay extra for the other helmets, but they refused it. They said that the helmets will be built with the vehicle, something like that, which I didn't believe, or I don't believe it. So this is the helmet, nothing else. Let's get on through the list. So other things I bought are, one, this is headband, or whatever you call, which I will show in a minute. So it costed me 300 rupees. It's a pretty basic one. There were other things like which would cost around 1000 rupees or 1500 rupees, like that, which I don't think they're which I think they are overpriced. So I bought this one. And another thing I bought is this keychain, because those guys, this is the keychain here. I already put on my key. So next thing I bought from Royal Enfield is this heel guard, which is again overpriced, but I know, as I told, I got all these things for free, almost free. I paid only 100 bucks extra for all these things. So this is the one. Quality is not that great, but still I had some extra money left there in my this thing, like in the offer, so I bought this thing, which again only last piece was remaining, so I had no option actually. It's still a little bit of damage is there, but still that's fine. It serves the purpose, I guess. So next big thing we are gonna talk about is these knuckle guards or hand guards, whatever you call. There are pretty much there are pretty good options in the market regarding the knuckle guards, like aftermarket parts, not a genuine one. Genuine one, actually this is the only option you will get from Royal Enfield if you want to install in knuckle guards on your bike. Which I compared many of the products which are available in the market, but I found this is the best one. The reasons are, I'll share you the reasons. So this is the packing. So we get 2 hand guards, and we get some paperwork, and this is, I think, what's the description of the products, which are box contents, you can say. So this is a installation manual, which is pretty easy, I guess. And we get couple of screws for each side. And actually there are screws available on the bike right now, but these are the extended ones to fit this extra space which is given here. And through two extra bar end grips will be provided, but these are of no use because let me show you. These are made up of plastic, I guess. Yes, this is a hard plastic, but the ones which are available on the bike are aluminum ones, so which are strong and even they are a little bit heavy. The reason they are given this one in plastic is, let me show you this one. So this is a plastic and metal construction, so this is a pretty heavy one. So to compensate the weight of this one with the bar and grips, they have given the plastic ones so that weight will be balanced or something. But I like the ones on the handlebar already installed, so I will be putting the same things. Packing is okay, not that great or something, or I think the Royal Enfield people already opened these things, I guess, because there are minor scratches. Okay, not an issue. Let's get on to the bike and install these things. And I still have my saddle stays, which I will be shooting in my next video, so just hang on, we will be soon doing the unbox of other things. And guys, please subscribe so that you can get more videos on modifications or rides, or I'll be doing a whole lot of modification on my bike, so which will be displayed on my channel very soon. And I even received my SJ cam, which will be unboxed and put on to my YouTube very soon. So let's meet you out and let's install it.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, it's so cold outside, I'm alone. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright.
So we can see we already installed the hand guards or knuckle guards on the bike. You can see they are very sturdy, I can say, and build quality is really good. But only issue I had is you can see these things. This is just a 2-day-old bike, but you can already see the rust formation on the screws. See, this is actually worse. This is not like minimum rust or something like that. This is too much of rust. So I recommend at least some rust remover or WD-40 to use on your bike on the regular basis. Or else I think many of the parts on this bike gonna get rusted out, so it will become difficult after that, and it will it'll cost you a lot, I can say that. So please use some rust remover or WD-40 on your bike, so that the rust formation will be minimized, or it will be stopped. And another thing I wanted to show is, see these things. These came with the knuckle guards, and this is the stock one. So why I choose the stock one over these things are, you can see these have a very pretty good quality, and these you can say very cheap quality or something like that. So I did not like these things. These things will kill your look if you install these things. So I recommend to use the stock ones on your bike, so that it can even look good. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel, so that you can get a lot more videos like this. I am still planning to install a whole lot of things on this bike, so keep in touch.